Hey guys, welcome back. Have you ever looked at someone who is on fire for God, crying in worship, always talking about Jesus, and they radical and thought, man, they are doing too much? You feel like your faith is steady, but a little cold. Did you know that the reason you aren't passionate might not be a lack of discipline, but a lack of debt awareness? In Luke 7, Jesus crashes a dinner party to explain a mathematical truth about the human heart. Your capacity to love God is directly tied to your awareness of how much He's actually forgiven you. Today, we're breaking down why recognizing your mess is the only key to experiencing God's best. Let's look at the mechanics of the story. Jesus is at the house of Simon, a Pharisee. A woman with a reputation enters, weeps at Jesus' feet, and wipes them with her hair. Simon is disgusted. Jesus responds with a parable of two debtors. One owed 50 denarii, the other owed 500. Neither could pay. The master canceled both debts. Number one, the denarii. A denarius was a day's wage. So we're talking about a 2-month debt versus a nearly 2-year debt. Number two, the social slight. Did you know that Simon actually insulted Jesus? In that culture, a host was supposed to provide water for feet and a kiss of greeting. Simon did neither. He treated Jesus like an average guest because he saw himself as an average sinner. The Greek nuance, in verse 47, Jesus says her many sins are forgiven, for she loved much. In the Greek construction, the love isn't the cause of the forgiveness, it's the evidence of it. Her radical worship was the proof that she understood the size of the debt that had just been erased. Here is the spiritual punch. If you think you're a good person, you will never have a great God. Did you know that the good people in the Bible were often the ones furthest from Jesus? Why? Because they didn't think they owed him much. They had 50 denarii hearts. They were polite, they were religious, but they were cold. The woman at the feet of Jesus had a 500 denarii heart. She knew her mess was massive. And because she knew the depth of the hole she was in, she could appreciate the height of the grace that pulled her out. If your worship is boring, it's because your sin awareness is shallow-handed. You can't be grateful for a rescue if you don't think you're drowning. Stop trying to act refined and start getting real about your debt. The more you realize how much He's covered, the more you'll be compelled to cover Him with your love. How do we move from cold religion to radical love? Number one, audit the ledger. Stop comparing your small sins to other people's. Big sins. Every sin is a death sentence. Realize that your 50 denarii was enough to kill you too. Number two, offer the alabaster. Give God your expensive things, your pride, your reputation, your time. Don't be polite with your praise. Repent of goodness. Ask God to forgive you for thinking you're a good person. That lie is the only thing standing between you and a deep relationship with Jesus. He's not looking for a clean resume. He's looking for a grateful heart. See the debt, find the love. I'll see you next time.